Hello everyone, I'm currently driving, so I'm not going to look right at the camera, but I am headed down to Omar's Exotic Birds in beautiful Brea, California. Why? Because I like birds. In fact, you might say, I even love birds. And yes, I even love birds. And why am I going to Omar's Exotic Birds in beautiful Brea, California, when there are so many other pet stores? Well, first of all, most pet stores don't have exotic birds. Secondly, most other pet stores that carry exotic birds keep them in cages or don't otherwise let you pet them or touch them. But Omar's Exotic Birds is different. They have all their birds out kind of like in the store on these specially designed perches. Well, you'll see. It's a grand old time if you like birds. If you like animals at all, I feel like you probably appreciate it, even if you're not a huge fan of birds. I wasn't always a fan of birds. I used to think that bird owners were crazy, which I think some of them are, for sure. But not any crazier than like a fanatic dog person or cat person, you know? It just depends on the person, not on the animal. The animals are beautiful and intelligent.
Hello! You guys are so beautiful.
They all have like their own little quirks, and I don't know, they can be cuddly. Most people wouldn't think of birds as being cuddly, but they can be. If you've been a regular watcher of my channel for years, you might remember that I was well acquainted with a cockatiel named Kevin. Kevin was a girl. Before Kevin, I was not a big fan of birds, like I said, but Kevin, she kind of introduced me to the world of birds a little bit. Yeah, and ever since then, I'm just kind of crazy about them. So every now and then, I'll head on down to Omar's and just kind of hang out with them for a little while. So today, I thought I'd bring you along with me.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, I'm in Mars. What did you need?
Hey, that's not nice. Come on. Come on.
like me very much.
Got feeling this.
Is his hand strong enough? Will he go on his arm?
Try it on his
I think his arm would be better. It's stronger on his arm.
He's heavy though. Can you hold
Is he
him?
heavy? Can you hold him? Good here, you two. Are you not strong enough?
Nails, his nails are a little scratchy. He's a baby. Just can't turn through.
Bite you. They just nibble. They're like puppies. You know puppies nibble on you?
Please don't laugh. Please don't laugh.
Yeah.
You want to hold him?
You don't want to try Jack Jack? Oh, Dookie, you got it all by yourself?
Oh, you want to hold me? Both want to hold you.
Jack, do you want to pet this macaw? It won't bite. Amazing. Look at like little Rockies. Look at. See how they look like Rockies? How they're gray.
Alright.
He's on your shoulder, Dookie.
Step up. Kinda.
Okay, you guys want to go see Blackie now? You want to go see Blackie?
Come on.
Are they tickling?
Come on. Yeah.
Is he gonna kiss you? Did he get you? Did he get you? Are you okay? You always want to let him go.
Who's that? Get it. Get that nut. Yeah. Dropped it. Bummer.
What do you guys think about this store?
You're a big one.
Isn't it cool?
You could bite my finger off if you wanted.
You know, like baby puppies play. They're playing.
brought a couple of visitors and then one for grooming, but there's no rush.
Hope you don't mind I'm
Oh,
making
no,
your
go right
hyacinth
ahead. You can
acquaintance.
pick him up. Just don't walk him towards the counter because then he'll think he's getting groomed.
Hi, buddy.
Now who's who? Looks like the wings are all trimmed.
We did tail clips, so the right tail clip's gonna be yours. And then I think then we put a left in there.
Okay, the left is the male and the right is the female.
Yeah.
Okay. Want to step up? Here.
Did you just go for books? Did you just go for books? Yes. Did you just go for books?
Wow, that was a pretty successful trip to Omar's. Hang on. Wow, that was fun. That was lucky. I was almost gonna leave, and then that guy with the hyacinth came in. That was awesome. One thing about going to Omar's is I always leave with tons of scratches, bite marks on my arms, but totally worth it. Excuse me. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming along with me on this trip to the bird store. And, oh man, I think I'm allergic to cockatoos. But anyway, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of different from my other videos, but honestly, lately, I feel like all my videos have been different. And I hope you guys like that. I'm planning on doing some kind of music-y video soon. I don't know what it's going to be yet, so, but I am kind of planning it through a little bit. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, I will see ya! Putting on our seat belts, doot 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 doot. Going into reverse, boop 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 boop. Going to go home. Here's a Ford coming. It is hot because I don't have my AC on. Gonna make a U-turn so I can go home. Getting out of Brea, going back to LA. Want to get McDonald's because they have good fries. But I'm on a diet, no carbies for me. Making cargo vroom vroom. Going to turn around, turn into the strip mall. Then I'm going to leave. It is hot outside. It's 102 degrees. Holy crap, that's a lot hotter than I thought it was. It's mid-October already.